Okay, what I did this time, 72 and climbing, it's been maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Let's say 4 minutes on the outside, 3 or 4 minutes. I plugged it back in, turned it on. It's ramping up, well, I think faster and more consistently too. It's less jumping down. All I did was tinned up and soldered that bottom of that can where that little wire was poking through, which I assume was the ground wire through the internal thermistor. And like I said, it just didn't seem like it was making a good electrical connection. I'm not sure what the theory was on just poking it through like that, not having it soldered anywhere. Unless that was a spring or something like that. I don't know what that was. I'm not going to take the can apart to find out, but it certainly seems to be ramping up a lot faster. So I'm going to call that a win. And this thing it's really starting to take off. Like I said, it's just climbing a heck of a lot faster than it was. Let's put it on the fuel thing here. Maybe we can catch it completely. I'm going to turn the overhead light out so we can get a little more action. Let's see, can you see it there? Yeah, that's not... Fortunately, what you're seeing there is just a reflection. So let me close the garage door a little bit. Lighting situation. Yeah, there you go. What I want to do is be able to catch it as it actually comes up and warms up. I'm at 200, 45, 48, 50, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300 millivolts, 340, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400. It's really moving now. You have a feeling that might have been, wow. I mean, it's just cruising. 600, 700, 800, 900, 1 volt, 1.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 6, 7, 3 volts, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It should be lighting up. Oh, yeah, there you go. So it definitely works a lot better after having soldered up that little end of the can. I'm going to see if it stops at 6. It's still going past 6. It's not flickering like it was before either. 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 6.6, 6.7. It's slowing down. But there you go. So it's like it's stopping at about 6.7, 6.7.4, 7.5, 6.8. It definitely seems to be working better. I'm convinced now that that little wire was part of my problem. So that's 6.8, 6.9 volts. Let me show you what I'm talking about now. Back here, I soldered that tip. I just put a little bit of flux on it and soldered it up so that that little wire that was poking through the very bottom of this thing is now sealed. Now we're going to, tell you what, I want to capture it on film. I'm going to tell you as I put it in. Let's see how fast it shuts down. Okay, you can see the lights lit up. Alright, here goes. I'm putting the thermistor into the fuel in 3, 2, 1. It's in. And the light went out. And my voltage is down to 44 millivolts. So that works pretty well. Alright, well thanks for watching. Just want to share that with you. Oh, I think I'll just this will just be the one video rather than other videos I did that didn't work out so well. So let me explain what happened. Oh, wrong way. Sorry. So the test, the first thing you want to do to test this out is you can unplug your connection right here to the tank, and you want to take the harness side, not the cinder side, but you just disconnect the cinder side. Take a jumper and go from the black wire to the yellow with blue stripe on the harness. That essentially shorts the thermistor, or what would be the thermistor, and should turn on a full 12 volts to here, okay? After back probing this thing. That tells you it's working and everything's working fine. The reason it's the 3300 millivolts here, the other thing you can do is, okay, that would turn the light on and you would see 12 volts here. That's how you know that everything's working as far as the wiring, the lamp is illuminating, all that. Here, the way you can see if anything's happening is this, if you also can just do this. Well, anyway, do that, make sure the light works. You can back probe this connector here to monitor your loaded voltage. In other words, the current has to flow through the thermistor, and there's a voltage drop across that and the light bulb, and that's why you only get the 300 millivolts. As the resistance in the thermistor decreases, there's more current flow, there's less of a voltage drop across it, and you get a higher voltage here. Anyway, I hope that helps. Good luck with your fuel sending units. Thanks for watching.